Hi, Samantha. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look. Thank you so much for including that PDF of your magazine ad. That's so important. And then we've got your gift. So I like to compare the magazine ad just so we can check for harmony and consistency in the adaptation from the magazine ad to the banner ad. So if you recall my comments from the magazine ad, some of the comments that my concerns are, number one is the background image. I think the background image is very poor quality. Got the PDF loaded right here so we can zoom in. And I'm going to go ahead and do so. And when I do, I want you to note this background image. Just see see those little squares right there? All those little squares, those are pixels. This is called extreme pixelization, and it's a very, very damaged image, low quality and or low resolution. Um, so I would not recommend using this image. It's too damaged. And as we know, the compression is even more um, dramatic in a banner ad, so the resulting image is even more blurry and pixelated and damaged than it appears to be in the magazine ad. So again, pointing to a very low quality background image. Speaking of images, don't forget that masked image from assignment 2-1 should be included in there. That's a requirement to include it both in the magazine ad as well as in the banner ad. I don't see it in either, so don't forget that is a requirement. As far as the magazine ad, don't forget Arial bold for your headline, Arial bold italic for your subhead. The body copy here is placed over a big green box. I don't think you need that. It's not creating a nice a symbiotic relationship between the type and the banner. I'm sorry, the type and the image. Right now, it just looks like the type is put in a box and pasted over the image. There's no real interplay between the type. There's no symbiotic relationship between the type and the background because of this big heavy box that you place the type on. My recommendation is to reduce the type size, preserve your hierarchy. Remember, headline should be the largest, subhead should be the next largest, body copy should be the next, just like in a newspaper. Reduce that size right there. You can remove that box and either assemble the type. You could even use this yellow color, maybe assemble the type up here or down here. But I don't think you need that box in the background. As far as the banner ad goes, now don't forget the only thing required to be animated in the banner ad is the call to action. So right now, I would say I would do this. I would say um, buy one get one free. Then I would say I would take this. I would say buy one get one free. Arial bold. Okay. Then let yourself relax underneath that Arial bold italic. Those don't move. Okay. Then take this, mix and match our entire menu and animate it in and out just like you do. But don't let it disappear for so long. As soon as it disappears, have it start fading right back in. That's the masked image from assignment 2-1. Also, don't forget you want your location in here somewhere. You don't have to include the entire contact information, but the geographic location is of a pertinent um, informational value to the client because the client's location is a pretty integral part of their branding, being that it is located in what many would consider to be the most beautiful geographic location in the world. So I definitely want to include that in the banner ad. Okay, so those are my recommendations. If you have any questions, please let me know. But I think that we can strengthen this up quite a bit and get it to the point where we can maybe consider it for inclusion in your final student portfolio. Not there yet, a little bit of work to do, but I think it's got the potential to move in that direction. So any questions at all, please let me know. If you want to repost anything here, I'll be glad to take a look at it and provide further recommendations. Thank you very much.